If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You use reports to further calculate and then display the results from a query or table. You can also use them to calculate statistical results on tables or queries for summary reports. They are simply a more concise and more printer-friendly way of presenting query or table data and further calculations to anyone who needs to view it. They use fields like forms do, and the report design view shares much in common with the form design view. However, reports typically have a query as their data source versus a table. A simple way to create a basic report in Access is to use the Report Wizard. To create a report in Access by using the Report Wizard, click the Report Wizard button in the Reports button group on the Create tab of the ribbon to open the Report Wizard dialog box. In the first screen of the Report Wizard, use the Tables Queries drop-down to select the query or table to add to the report. Then select which fields from the selected query or table to show in the report by selecting them from the Available Fields list and clicking the right pointing arrow button to move them to the Selected Fields list. Alternatively, to move all the fields into the Selected Fields list, click the double right pointing arrow button instead. When finished, click the Next button to continue. In the next screen, you may need to select by which field or table to view your report results. Make your selection and then click the Next button to continue. If you did not base your report on multiple tables or a query, this screen will not appear. In the next screen, select any fields by which to group the report data and click the right pointing arrow button to add the selected groups to the report. If you add grouping, you can click the Grouping Options button to open another screen where you can select a grouping interval for any fields by which you grouped the report. Then click the OK button to close this screen. After making your selections, click the Next button to continue. In the next screen, select by which fields to sort the report data by using the drop-down menus. Then click the button to the right of each field to toggle it to the desired sort order, either ascending or descending. If you have a number or currency field in your report, you can click the Summary Options button in this screen to launch the Summary Options dialog box. Here you can set any summary options for the available fields by checking the checkbox under the function to perform on each field. To the right of that, select either the Detail and Summary or Summary Only option button to select the type of report to create. You can also check the checkbox for Calculate % of total for sums if you want that option for your summary report. When you are done, click OK to close the Summary Options dialog box. Then click the Next button to continue. Next, select the desired report layout by choosing an option button in the Layout section that corresponds to the type of layout you want. You can also check the checkbox to adjust the field width so all fields fit on a page, if desired. Then click the Next button to continue. In the final screen, type a title for your report in the field at the top of the screen. Then select the option button to either preview the report or modify the report's design as desired. To view the report data, select the first option. To open the report in Report Design View instead, select the second option. Finally, click the Finish button to create the new report and open it in the selected view. To open a report after creating it in Access, double-click the report in the navigation pane to open the report in Report View. This view is used to display the report data electronically for users and is the default view of reports when you open them in Access. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.